All right, y'all, I am living the dream today. I am at a beach on a weekday. You gotta love that. And I get to do something I've always wanted to do, which is go metal detecting on the beach. Now, you've seen all those videos on YouTube where they go out on the beach and they do metal detecting. Well, that's me today. I get to do that today. So I just got this metal detector. It came to me literally last night. So we're gonna try it today. I'm super excited to pull this out of the box and see what we got. So let's start with that. Let's do that really quick. Shouldn't be too bad, but I already love the packaging on it. It doesn't feel cheap, although this is not a way expensive unit or anything like that, but it is definitely doesn't feel cheap. Okay, so right out of the gate, you have this little pouch. I can see you have a bigger pouch with a couple batteries in it, so we're gonna need that for sure. Inside this little pouch, what do we got here? Well, pencils. Okay, they're pencils, so you can write on probably what you find, right? Oh, well, right on. Well, isn't that cool? You got a bunch of these coins that came. I didn't even know about that. Now, obviously, they're just for fun. They're like little tokens that you'd probably find at like a Chuck E. Cheese or something. But hey, for kids, that's awesome. You can go bury these and they can go find them. I'm gonna do that for my daughter. I'm gonna go bury one of these and say, hey, go check her. It's gonna be fun. All right, so you've got your plate here, which is kind of really cool. I'm not gonna unbox everything. I'll just put it together really quick. So you got your plate, you got your headphones. Oh, another coin fell out of here. That's pretty cool. Oh, all right. So you actually have, for kids, a Animal Coin Quest books. This is gonna be awesome for kids. And you have a treasure hunt map. How cool is that? That is so cool. So you can go bury these and the kids can go find them. All right, I'm in love. I love this. We're gonna have to do this with all the little ones. I'm glad that I got this one. So this is great. So you have your wand here, you got your brace, but this is perfect. Little beachcomber action. So you can dig in the sand. The sand goes through this. That's super cool. We're gonna definitely put that to use. What else? I mean, you got a lot of goodies on this here, for sure. A lot of goodies. Oh, you got a little shovel here for maybe some coarser dirt if you're not doing with sand. So that's kind of cool. Man, they thought of everything in this kit. And then you got your wand on the bottom. And that is about it here. So last thing that's in here is just this, but that is super cool. They thought of, like, for the little kiddos to get excited, you can go bury the coin, do like a little treasure hunt for them. I think we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put the coins in this little pouch and we're gonna test that out. That is super fun. So, all right, I'll put this all together and I'll be right back with you. Check out this bag. I mean, I love that. If it says you lose it, I find it, all over this place. But you have a little pouch right here, probably for things that you find. You have a bigger pouch if you find bigger stuff right here, I'm sure. The thing that I like the most is you can fit the whole unit inside of here. So I put it together. It probably took me about 10 minutes first time, but I'm gonna leave it together so you can just kind of put it in there, left together, have the shovels in here. And what I really love is when they do stuff like that, you can actually shut the bag. So that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna put the shovel down a little bit more, turn that, and voila, the bag zips up. Isn't that cool? That the bag actually does what it says it's supposed to do. Now you got a couple handholds here, and then you have a couple straps right here, probably for your back straps. Right there, and right there. And we are good to go. All right, we got our back straps on and we are now good to go. Let's go. All right, guys, I just got the metal detector put together. Like I said, it probably took me about 10 minutes of first time use. We're gonna turn it on, make sure I got the batteries installed. I did. The one thing I will say that I really kind of like about this is how easy it is to extend this. Right here, you can extend the wand out and then you can extend this one out a little bit more, and how compact it is for when you're trying to put it away. Now, obviously my wand is a little bit flimsy, no dad jokes here. So we're gonna tighten this up because that's storage right there. So I had it in storage and tighten it up so that stays kind of in place. I don't want it too tight. And then apparently you just put your arm through the Velcro here. You can tighten that up if you want. Man, that is super comfortable. I'm gonna tell you, first impressions, really light. The headphones, I can hear it, even though it's a windy day, you can hear it pretty loud. Let me show you the menu here. That's pretty cool. It tells you it's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, I think this is really super friendly, even kid friendly. So you have all your different metals over here, and then how deep things are, your depth. I'm gonna probably not go for too high, but you can see your sensitivity, and you can say, you know what, I don't wanna go too deep, so I'm gonna keep it a little shallow. And there's sensitivity there. You can plus or minus your sensitivity. So I don't wanna be digging here for a while. And then your volume is how loud you want it. It goes up to 5. I mean, 3 is pretty loud, so we're gonna keep it at 3. You got your disc, which is just, I don't know what the word is, but it means the different types of metals. So I'm gonna go for all of them. You see, you can start taking them away in the sensitivity. I'm gonna just keep the settings out of the box the way it is. And then your brightness, turn it on, off, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's go see if we can't find something. All right, let's say that you're looking for your keys because you lost them on the beach. There we go. It's beeping in my ear. It's telling me that the depth really shallow, and it's telling me that I found some metal. So I think a 67 is like a high scale. That's a good place to start. I'm gonna learn how to use this. So I'm gonna go play around with it and I'll come back. If you're looking for an entry-level metal detector that is great with the kids, treasure hunt, oh my gosh, they can spend a ton of time out there. This is a great one that I would probably recommend diving into. If you're beyond that, I probably wouldn't worry about it because it's not a professional of any stretch of the imagination, but it's a great entry level to get you started for sure. And it's really windy, but I can hear really fine. So this does a great job of canceling out the wind.